Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. This beautiful stitch is called the feather stitch. So it looks like little feathers. It is completely reversible, the same on both sides, stable, and when you feel it, it's quite thick and it has a bit of weight to it. Grab your hook and your yarn and let's do this one. For this stitch, you will require an even number of stitches. I made 16 chain stitches, and now I'm going to make a half a double crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then I'm going to do a half a double crochet in each chain, and I actually want to make this half a double crochet in the back loop or the back hump of your chain stitches. And we are going to make one half double crochet across. At the end of this row, you will have a total of 15 half double crochets. At the end of your row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. You're going to work one half a double crochet in the very first stitch, chain 1, skip 1, and in the next stitch make one half a double crochet. And you're going to continue this until you get to the end of your row. It's chain 1, skip 1, one half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, one half a double crochet. And you're doing this so that you can actually form the foundation rows so you are able to make your feather stitches. At the end of your row, chain 1 and turn your work. This is the row that you will use to start your pattern, and this is also the row we'll repeat throughout the pattern. In the very first stitch, you're going to make one half a double crochet. So in the very first one half a double crochet. Now for the beginning of the feather stitch, you will work in the chain 1 space, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 1 space and draw up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Now I want to show you this part. For the second part of the stitch, you're gonna go into the stitch directly below the space right here, so directly below that. So you will yarn over, insert your hook into the 1 row below and pull up a loop. When you pull up your loop, it must be even with the first double crochet that you made. You will now have 5 loops on your hook. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain right here and draw up a loop. You will now have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7. You might have to wiggle your hook a bit. That is fine. That is your very first feather stitch. Chain 1, and it's the exact same thing. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain 1 space. Where you made your last one, insert it in the exact same space. Chain 1, you did. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over in the stitch directly below, go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, go into your chain 1 space, yarn over, and pull through all 7 loops. Chain 1, let's repeat that. Into the chain 1 space, yarn over, into the stitch directly below, yarn over, into the chain 1 space, yarn over, and go through all 7 loops. Chain 1, yarn over, into your chain 1 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, into your the stitch directly below, and pull up a loop, yarn over, go into your chain 1 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, and go through all 7 loops. Chain 1. Please be advised that anytime you can pause this video, slow down this video from the settings, and that icon is on this video in the top right hand corner. It looks like a little nut. Oops, did you see? I forgot my chain 1. Let's put that chain 1 in, chain 1. And this is how the stitch is worked. When you get to your last 2 stitches, you're going to skip 1 and make 1/2 a double crochet into your last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. In the very first stitch, make 1/2 a double crochet. 1/2 a double crochet, here we go. Now you will see you have the spaces here. That is where we're going to fill out now. So you will yarn over, go into your first chain space, yarn over, go into the stitch. Let me show you. Go into the stitch right here. So then we're closing that gap up, yarn over, go into the next chain 1 space, pull through all those loops. Let me show you that again. Yarn over, go through the first chain space, yarn over, go to the stitch directly below and pull up a loop, yarn over, go into the chain 1 space, yarn over, wiggle through all 7 spaces. Chain 1. Repeat the exact same thing. This stitch does not change. It is a repetitive stitch. You will continue to work in this way, repeating row 3 until you get to your desired length for your project. This is a very beautiful stitch to work. Extremely easy. When I first saw it, I was a bit worried that it would be a bit difficult. But to my amazement, it was quite easy. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please try it out, tag me in your video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell. But most important, please try it. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out.